Hello, Vita. Your chapter Albert Einstein at school continue. Your next paragraph. Apart from books on science, his only comfort was music, and he played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. Albert was very fond of reading science books, and the only other thing that brought him joy and peace was music. That wailing gets on my nerves, he said. There is enough noise in this house with all the kids howling. He played the violin a lot, but only until his landlady told him to stop. The sound supposedly irritated her, and she justified by saying that kids already make a lot of noise in the house. Howling means crying, wailing means noise, disturbance. Albert was tempted to point out that, interested to point out that most of the time it was she who made them howl, but he decided it was better to say nothing. Albert wanted to say that she is the one who made her kids cry all the time, but somehow resisted the urge to say it, probably for the better. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या बताया जा रहा है कि एल्बर्ट साइंस की बुक के अलावा उनका जो कंफर्ट था, जिसमें वो इंटरेस्ट रखते थे, वो म्यूजिक था. ही प्लेड वायलिन रेगुलरली until his landlady asked him to stop. जब तक उसके लैंडलेडी वायलिन बजाने को इनकार नहीं करती, तब तक एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन वायलिन लगातार बजाते रहते. जब वो औरत उनके पास आती, उन्हें कहती कि वायलिन बजाना बंद कर दो, उन्हें इरिटेशन हो रही है, और साथ में ये भी कहती कि घर में पहले ही बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइज़ है, उनके बच्चे हर वक्त रोते रहते हैं. एल्बर्ट एक बार तो इंटरेस्ट दिखाता है कि उसे कह दे कि वो अपने बच्चों को नहीं मारे पीटे, बट बाद में उसने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, वो नहीं कहेगा. योर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. आई मस्ट गेट अवे फ्रॉम हियर, he told Yuri after 6 months also in Munich. In Munich, after being in Munich alone for 6 months, Albert expressed to Yuri that he feels it's a high time he moves away from here. It is absurd that I should go on like this. In the end, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. It will be better for all if I stop now. He sees no point in carrying on like this because if he does, it is only going to result in wastage of his father's money, everyone times and efforts. Yuri asked if he has any backup plan, to which I don't know. If I go to Milan, I'm afraid my father will send me back unless. His eyes gleamed with a sudden idea. Yuri, do you know any friendly doctor? Yuri asked if he has any backup plans, to which Albert says that going to Milan wouldn't be such a great idea because his father would send him back. अब यूरी उससे पूछता है कि बोलता आपका कोई बैकअप प्लान है? तो एल्बर्ट क्या कहता है कि अगर मैं वापस मिलान जाऊंगा तो मिलान जाने का जो आइडिया है वो भी अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके पिताजी उसे फिर से वापस भेज देंगे। दे वर डिस्कसिंग, और वो डिस्कशन कर रहे थे अबाउट इट व्हेन सडनली एन आइडिया ऑकर टू हिम। तभी एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन के दिमाग में एक आइडिया आ जाता है। ही आस्क्ड यूरी इफ ही न्यू एनी डॉक्टर्स। वो यूरी से पूछता है कि क्या आप किसी डॉक्टर को जानते हो? आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स, some of them are friendly, said Yuri. Doctor, no, I have never had enough money to go to one. Why? Unfortunately, Yuri could never afford to go to one, but he did have a lot of friends from the medical fields. और दुर्भाग्यवश यूरी का कोई मित्र नहीं है, फिर भी मेडिकल फील्ड होने के नाते उसके बहुत सारे मेडिकल फील्ड के मित्र हैं। Suppose, said Albert, that I had a nervous breakdown. Suppose a doctor would say it is bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from it. Albert's idea included a nervous breakdown and a doctor that could advise him that school is bad for him and he needs to stay as fast as he could from it. एल्बर्ट ये आइडिया इंक्लूड करता है कि डॉक्टर अगर ये एडवाइस दे दे कि मेरा नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो गया है जिस कारण से मैं स्कूल नहीं जा सकता और मुझे कुछ समय के लिए घर पर ही रुकना होगा। I can't imagine doctor saying that, said Yuri. I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. Yuri didn't think the idea was a success because it was merely likely for a doctor to advise something like that. I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerve. Albert still wanted to give it a try and find a doctor that specializes in nerve. क्या करना चाहता है एल्बर्ट? फिर भी उसे इंसिस्ट करता है, फोर्स करता है कि उसके लिए एक स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर नर्व सिस्टम का ढूंढे। देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ देम, यूरी टोल्ड हिम। ही हेजिटेटेड फॉर अ मोमेंट एंड देन एडेड rather reluctantly, rather hesitatingly. Yuri offered to ask one of his friends about such a doctor. Albert expressed his gratitude. Yuri told him not to have his hopes high but little. Will you? Oh, thank you, Yuri. Albert's eyes were shining. एल्बर्ट यूरी उसे डॉक्टर ढूंढने के लिए कहता है कि मैं आपके लिए एक डॉक्टर ढूंढ दूंगा। इस बात को सुन के एल्बर्ट थोड़ा शांत हो जाता है, उसकी आंखों में एक अलग प्रकार की साइन आ जाती है। वेट अ मोमेंट, आई हैवंट फाउंड वन येट एंड ओ व्हाट यू विल। क्या कह देता है? आप इंतज़ार करिए जब तक कि मैं आपके लिए एक सुइटेबल डॉक्टर नहीं ढूंढ लेता। एंड इफ़ आई डू नॉट नो इफ़ ही विल बी विलिंग टू हेल्प हिम। क्या कहता है? एल्बर्ट वॉज आल्सो होपफुल and positive about finding a suitable doctor that will be willing to help him. He will, declared Albert, and I am going to have a real nervous breakdown. To make it easier for him, he laughed happily. He even went to the extent of offering to showcase an actual breakdown to make it seem more real. इवन वो था एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन क्या शो करना चाहता है कि रियलिटी में ही उसका नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो गया है ताकि डॉक्टर को ज़्यादा मेहनत ना करनी पड़े। आई हैव नेवर सीन यू लुकिंग लेस नर्वस, यूरी रिमार्क्ड। Yuri remarked, a day or two at school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. He was full of hope, and Yuri had never seen him feeling like that. Albert told him not to worry about that because a day or two at school would restore him back to his troubled state. अब यूरी ने आज से पहले कभी भी एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन को इतना ज़्यादा नर्वस नहीं देखा था। क्या कहता है एल्बर्ट, 1 या 2 दिन में वो दोबारा से अपनी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर लेगा। सर्टेनली he had lost high spirit when Yuri saw him next. I can't stand it any longer, he said. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. Albert was right, and when Yuri saw him the next time, he actually seemed troubled, and keep it up, then said Yuri, I have found a doctor for you. You have Albert's face lit up. Oh, good. When can I see him? By this time, Albert had given up and he actually was expecting a nervous breakdown. If it continued like this would have surely made a doctor work easier, and Yuri conveyed to him that he has found just the doctor for him and he has an appointment. The doctor evening while giving him the address. I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening, Yuri said. Here is the address. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Dr. Ernest Will is a specialist in nervous troubles, asked Albert. Albert read the doctor's name, and which is Dr. Ernest Will, and asked Yuri if he specialized in nerves. देखिए अभी भी जो एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन है जो यूरी से डॉक्टर का नाम भी जान लेता है, फिर भी उससे पूछता है कि क्या वो डॉक्टर स्पेशलिस्ट है नर्व्स का। नॉट एग्जैक्टली, यूरी एडमिटेड। एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट ही ओनली क्वालिफाइड एज अ डॉक्टर लास्ट वीक। यू मे even be his first patient. You knew him as a student then. I have known Ernest for years. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. He is not a fool, he warned Albert. What do you mean? Here, Yuri told him that he was not exactly a neuro specialist, that he qualified as a doctor only last week, and that Albert could even be his first patient. क्या कह देता है कि वो न्यूरो का स्पेशलिस्ट नहीं है, अभी पिछले हफ्ते ही उसने अपनी डॉक्टरी की पढ़ाई पूरी की है और इवन एल्बर्ट हो सकता है उसका फर्स्ट पेशेंट हो। Yuri mentioned that he has known him for a while, and now he warned Albert to not to lie him because he was no fool. साथ में ये भी मेंशन करता है कि वो उसे पहले से पहचानता है, वार्निंग दे देता है कि उसके साथ कोई भी मूर्खतापूर्ण बिहेवियर ना करे, उसे मूर्ख बनाने की कोशिश ना करे। Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes, that's all. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. Not that you would deceive anyone, Yuri added. You are the world rust liar. Yuri asked him to be honest and not to pretend have nervous issue. क्या कह देता है कि आप ईमानदारी से उससे बातचीत करना, कोई भी नर्वस डाउन का बहाना मत बनाना। He immediately mentioned that it was also not possible because Albert is the world rust liar. साथ में इमीडिएटली ये भी मेंशन कर देता है यूरी कि एल्बर्ट कैसा है, वर्ल्ड का रस्ट लायर है, उसके लिए कुछ भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है। एल्बर्ट स्पेंड द नेक्स्ट डे wondering what to tell the doctor. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. He spent the next day thinking about all he was going to say to the doctor. He thought so much that he feared he would actually get a nervous breakdown. फिर अगले दिन शाम तक एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन डॉक्टर के बारे में सोचता रहता है कि वो उससे क्या बातचीत करेगा। उसे डर लगता है और उसका रियलिटी में ही नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन होने लगता है। ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।